Let's review now the idea of logic, or a good inference, good reasoning. And if an argument's going to be good, we said it has to display good reasoning. That is, the inference, the logic, the inference, the reasoning has to be good. That is, there has to be a logically strong connection between the premises, and the conclusion. And thus, one way of thinking about it, or one way of defining an argument's being a logically good argument, a valid argument, is that its argument's valid if and only if the truth of the premises guarantees the truth of the conclusion. And notice that's not saying that the premises are true, it's just saying that the truth of the conclusion is going to be at least as good as the truth of the premises. Another way of thinking of that is that valid arguments exhibit good logic. That is, that logically strong connection. The inference has a logically strong connection. And a good way of kind of defining it, and helps us think about it, is by saying that an argument's valid if and only if, just in case, it's impossible for those premises to be true and at the same time the conclusion is false. If the premises are true, the conclusion also has to be true. Is that you can't imagine something without contradicting yourself. You can't imagine a situation without contradicting yourself in which you have consistently described those premises being true and the conclusion false.